another Oklahoma-proven perennial that we want to showcase today. This is Catmint, or this particular cultivar is Walker's Low Catmint. And you can see it forms about a 1 to 2 foot tall clump. It is a very nice mounding perennial that puts on a lovely flush of lavender blue flowers in the springtime. Now, if we trim these back after they flush out, that's the first time we'll continue to get flowers throughout the season. You can see by the abundance of bees on here, they're great pollinator plants as well. This plant does really well in mass, or as you can see here, as a nice border plant. It also works well in a great herb garden or rock garden. It does prefer full sun, but can handle a little bit of shade. Now down in the deep south, it can't handle the hot humidity, so you might see it suffer a little bit. It likes drier conditions, as it prefers drier soil conditions as well. Now this Nepeta, or catmint, is related. It's the same genus as that catmint that might excite your cat, but it is actually a different species. While this isn't the same species that will get your cat excited, it's one that all gardeners should get excited about.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.